कांस फिल्म फेस्टिवल में वैसे हर साल कई बॉलीवुड सितारे शिरकत करते हैं, लेकिन इस फिल्म में जितनी शोहरत ऐश्वर्या राय के हिस्से आई, उतनी शायद किसी और को नसीब नहीं हुई। इस शोहरत में ज्यादा कंट्रीब्यूशन ऐश की ड्रेस का रहा। अब ऐश के इन ड्रेसेस को फैशन इंडस्ट्री में लॉन्च किया जा रहा है।
For coming to celebrate with us the launch of the Infallible collection, and of course, very kindly reminding me and celebrating with me 15 years with the brand. And this just makes me smile in all humility and with absolute gratitude to L'Oreal for having me enjoy belonging to the family for this wonderful 15-year journey thus far, and a couple more ahead for sure. And of course, even to the festival. My association began virtually simultaneously with the Cannes Film Festival, starting of course, as you all already know, and I keep reminding you all at every event that I am to talk about my relationship with the festival. It began with Devdas being screened at the festival, which was such an honor for me as a member of the Indian film fraternity to get the kind of welcome that we received from the festival and the world media.
कांस फिल्म फेस्टिवल में ऐश्वर्या की देवदास या हालिया रिलीज जज्बा को तो कोई खास चर्चा नहीं मिली, लेकिन इस समारोह में ऐश द्वारा पहनी गई ड्रेसेस ने खूब सुर्खियां बटोरी। अब इन ड्रेसेस के कलेक्शन को लॉरियल पेरिस ने फैशन प्रेमियों के सामने लाने का ऐलान किया है। इस मौके पर ऐश ने कांस के अपने एक्सपीरियंस को ऑडियंस के साथ शेयर किया।
वो मेरे लिए बहुत ही यादगार रहा वो अनुभव, और उसके बाद I got to once go and actually announce and declare the festival open. I've been there with L'Oreal year after year. There have been times when I've got to share my movies there as well on a couple of screenings, be it Provoked, be it Ravan, taking Jazba last year. Sharing our work has meant a lot.
इस मौके पर ऐश्वर्या राय ने कांस के साथ अपने जुड़ाव को खुद के लिए एक बड़ा अचीवमेंट बताया।
Abhi, whatever the expectations be, sometimes you want a screening with a red carpet, sometimes you get it at the Palais, sometimes you get it at other theatres. वहाँ जाकर देखें तो बहुत सारे venues हैं, not just the main Palais. And there are so many, it's all film. It's all about films from every part of the world. So there are so many platforms. But it's great that we get to meet all of you, exchange with everybody, and share whatever we have to offer. And even if it is not my film, when I'm traveling there, I so often end up speaking about whatever films of ours is getting showcased there, or is getting represented or looking for representation. And I'm very humbled and privileged that I'm given that opportunity to be a part of us and speak for us, because we are not individuals whenever we stand on a global platform. You represent us, the Indian, and us, a member of our fraternity. And that means a lot. And every such experience is always humbling, always precious, and means the world.
लॉरियल पेरिस कांस की ऑफिशियल मेकअप पार्टनर है। इस मौके पर कांस के रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ने आगामी मई में होने जा रहे इस फेस्टिवल में ऐश के अलावा सोनम कपूर के शामिल होने की भी जानकारी दी।
So first of all, thank you Aishwarya for being such an important part of L'Oreal Paris journey. And as we always say, for us, Aishwarya truly is our infallible woman of worth. L'Oreal Paris has been associated with Cannes for over 19 years. And as a true red carpet expert, our entire job and objective is to build together international beauty and makeup trends for all over the world. And this year will be the same. Also, I would like to take this opportunity to officially tell you the dates on which our family members, as she rightly said, will walk the red carpet this year. So Aishwarya Rai Bachchan will be walking the red carpet on 13th and 14th of May. Sonam Kapoor will be walking the red carpet on 15th and 16th of May. And unfortunately, due to prior work commitments, Katrina will not be able to join us this year at Cannes.
कांस जैसे फिल्म फेस्टिवल में बॉलीवुड के हिस्से अभी तक कोई खास उपलब्धि हासिल नहीं हुई है। ऐश्वर्या और सोनम जैसी हसीनाओं के जरिए ही सही, बॉलीवुड इस रेप्यूटेटेड फिल्म फेस्टिवल में अपनी मौजूदगी दर्ज कराने में सफल रहा है। उम्मीद है इस बार भी कांस में बॉलीवुड का जलवा कायम रहेगा।